Hello, Tassoc designers. So, in order to put your PDF of your blueprints into your blog, you have to do the following. So, once you have it open in this screen, which means you clicked it from the drive, you have some options over here. Another way you can go ahead and make this into your blog is if you press share, you're going to have this come up. Now, this link right here, whenever you copy this link, anyone else can see it. Okay? So you copy that link, you go back into your blog. Once you are into your blog, you add a link into your blog. So once you go to this part, you add that to the top. Okay? Or not to the top, sorry, it's right here. So you add the link that you copied and pasted here. Now the cool part is that you can change this up top. And then whatever you put up top is what people will see. And if they click it, they can go into that website. So, for example, if I were to name this Blueprint 1, now to click OK, then Blueprint 1 would appear. When I click Blueprint 1, it'll send me to the PDF. So you can add that link into your blog so you don't have to convert anything. And then once people click it, they will go into your blueprint. It's going to take a little while to load because of the internet, but hopefully you guys get the picture. We'll wait a second for this to show up. And there we go. Then people will be able to access your blueprints whenever they access your blog. So keep on working, Tassoc designers, and enjoy the rest of your class.